Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 16th, 2021. This is our Kyber Network price prediction update. We're going to break down what has occurred in the market since our last price prediction, which occurred on March the 29th. You guys can see that we expected Kyber to go higher in price. That is precisely what the market has done. So now we need to make sure that we are in position to see where the market is headed going on into the future. Now, before I break that down, if today is your first time viewing our content, y'all appreciate it. Like I always say, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. Tap that bell notification as well, because you always want to make sure that you are updated as to what we're seeing on the price chart so that you can get in position and win. This is something that you got to do in order to have the competitive advantage. You got to predict, then you profit. That is how you win. All right. So join us, continually come back to this channel to make sure that you are at least understanding and learning from reading a price chart so that you can beat everyone else at this game. Okay. So March the 29th was the last time we did our price prediction for Kyber Network. Market currently is down 5.5%, but here 16.88% profitability right there in the market from our price prediction, which literally came to pass on the 2nd. Okay, so we got that profitability out the market relatively quick. It only took 3 or 4 days to allow that to play out. Now, if we were to get out the market today, though, 25, almost 26% profitability right there. This is how you're able to beat the trap at his own game. It's because you're anticipating where he's going to go before he even takes the price there. That is how you're going to win in this market. Okay, so congratulations to you. You was able to take the market at the high in Kyber, which came in on April the 10th. That's about 62, almost 63% profitability. All right, so let's take that away. That is done. That is over. One thing I really wanted to show you was that look at this volume right here in Kyber, and then look at the result. You guys can see what happened on that day. The market got dumped. You know, a big sell wall or sell order came into the market in Kyber right there around 420, $4.40 based off the volume. And since then, the market has fell off, right? We're seeing the market decrease in price. That is literally what the market is telling us. The market in Kyber is not strong as of this particular moment. Right now, the market is not strong. That is one reason. These arrows is pointed to why the market in Kyber Network is giving us weakness instead of strength. The second reason is because the market cannot break above this particular price here, okay, which is around $3.60, maybe a little bit higher, around 360, 365, give or take. That area needs to come back up above, or the price needs to come back up above that particular market price of 360, 365 in order to reclaim that strength. Until that happens, don't expect the market in Kyber Network to exhibit any strength. This is literally the information the trap is dropping on us so that we can continually read the market so that we can anticipate his price movement. I mean, it's just that simple. So those are two reasons why the market in Kyber is giving us weakness at the moment. All right, so let's see how weak the market really is in Kyber though. Looking at this on a 3-day time frame again, let me draw that line back in the market because this area is restriction. Okay, until we see the price go above that line, you know what to expect. So what we could get over the next couple of days is literally the market in Kyber consolidated in this range. Okay, look at that. We can expect the market in Kyber to trade between $3.60 all the way down to $3.20. If we see strength come in again at $3.20 for Kyber, then we understand and realize that the trap is really trying to continue to up the price. That is literally what he's trying to do. So we got to wait for that. Okay, because we're currently transitioning over into weakness. Our identifier would be to see strength come into the market at $3.20. If that doesn't occur, then let's see how low the market in Kyber is going to go. So the next area that we can see the market in Kyber come would be around $3.10 to $3 even. Okay. So the real important number on today's video is going to be $3.20. We really need to pay attention to see what occurs into the market in Kyber at that price. All right. So what we're going to do, you guys can see on the weekly time frame that the market in Kyber, this upward slope, this line I've just drawn, is definitely in jeopardy of being broken. This will be the next area that the market will try to come in and hold its trend. Okay. So yeah, right now the market in Kyber is definitely giving us some weakness here. Look at the monthly time frame. I'm sorry, the 3 weeks time frame. That definitely emphasizes that a lot of selling is going on into the market in Kyber. It doesn't look too different from what occurred on this 3-week price bar. I mean, the price bars look pretty much identical in how it ended. 2 days and 14 hours left on this current one, but it looks almost identical than the last completed 3-week price bar. And look at the volume, it's dwindling. It's not as high as, well, we got 2 days and 14 hours left, but right now as a snippet, it doesn't look as high as what occurred on the last completed 3-week price bar. But nonetheless, do you expect the same thing to occur like it did on the last completed 3-week price bar? Or do you expect us to actually finally see the market in Kyber go lower? So what we're going to do, we're going to play the weakness, right? I said at $3.60, maybe like $3.65 is where the market restriction area currently is. And $3.20 is where we need to see the market come in and prop itself up. Okay. We need to see the strength there. So we would obviously come in and TP out the market in Kyber at $3.20 for 4.34% profitability. Now, the only reason why we would do that is because that literally would be the next area that the market can prop itself up and price change direction and start going higher. Right there at $3.20. Now, I'm going to bring it all the way down here to $3 though. As a very quick touch, it might fall up a little bit higher towards, $3.11. We will do that as well, which is about 7.25, but generally around that vicinity here. Okay. So we're in position. This is our expectations as to what we're expecting the market in Kyber to do over the next couple of days. Depending on what happens at $3.20, if the weakness occurs, then the market in Kyber will come all the way back down to $3, maybe $2.85. All right, so let me bring it down to that particular level. All right, so we're in position. This is our expectations in the market in Kyber. We're going to expect some weakness to play out, and definitely pay attention to what occurs at $3.20, because if the weakness continues at $3.20, the market will go lower. But if we see strength come in, then the market's going to try to prop itself up and try to go higher in price. That's it. So now, as we always do at the end of our videos, we want to make sure that you give us the opportunity to give you the opportunity to call the markets right alongside with us. So drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me where do you all expect the market in Kyber Network to go over the next 3 days. It doesn't hurt. You're not placing any money into the market. It's just so that we can learn from what the trap is anticipated to do. Let's collaborate. Tell me what do you all expect to see in the market in Kyber over the next 2 to 3 weeks. Where do you all expect the price to be? And that's it. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.